Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to find old servers and grow a garden on Roblox. First, open up a new tab and search for Beach Roblox Chrome Web Store. And once you see it, click on Add to Chrome. Then hit Add Extension. After it's installed, it should show up in your extensions. Just click the little puzzle piece icon to see it. Now go back to the Roblox website and refresh the page. And then you'll notice a few changes to how things look. That's because of the Beach Roblox extension. Next, search for a Grow a Garden and click on the game. And once you're on the game page, scroll down and you'll see the server list. And here's the trick. Where it says number of players, change it from descending to ascending. We do this because the servers with the fewer players are more likely to be old. Now just scroll through and join any server that you want, and that's it. Super easy. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.